The influence of French elegance in bedding design is a prime example of how culture and history can impact domestic comfort and style. This narrative begins in the past, takes us to the present, and forecasts the future of bedding design, inspired by French elegance. Origin and history. In the distant past, French interior design was a symbol of sophistication and luxury. This was a reflection of the monarchy's influence, especially during the era of Louis XIV, when attention to detail and luxury became defining features of the French style. Bedding was no exception. The use of high-quality materials such as silk and brocade, along with intricate patterns and embroidery, became hallmarks of this time. These traditions laid the foundation for what we now call French elegance in bedding design. Development and evolution. Over time, French design underwent changes, adapting to new centuries and socio-economic conditions. During the Enlightenment, the emphasis shifted to more refined elegance and comfort, which was reflected in bedding design. New fabrics, such as cotton, began to appear, making bedding more accessible but no less elegant. In times of revolution and subsequent eras, design became more democratic but retained the elegance and attention to detail that had been established centuries ago. Modern times today, French elegance in bedding design represents the perfect combination of tradition and innovation. The use of natural materials, such as linen and organic cotton, is combined with modern manufacturing technologies to create products that are not only beautiful, but also durable and easy to care for. Designs remain true to their heritage, offering intricate patterns and motifs, but at the same time, they adapt to modern needs and lifestyles. The future. Looking into the future of bedding design, inspired by French elegance, promises further fusion of traditional art and modern innovations. Sustainability and environmental responsibility are becoming key themes, influencing the choice of materials and production processes. Individualization and personalization also play an important role, as consumers seek to reflect their unique style in every detail of their home, including bedding. French elegance in bedding design is not just a style. It's a reflection of rich history, culture, and craftsmanship that continues to inspire today. It reminds us of the importance of beauty in everyday life and how art and design can enrich our world.